Today, what are we doing, Becky?
I can't not say cottagecore without being like, cottagecore!
Wow. What a good year. That was a great year.
Thank you so much to Command Brand for sponsoring this video.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Sorry Girls. My name is Kelsey.
And my name is Becky.
And we're the Sorry Girls. I feel like I just said that redundantly.
No. Did you?
I was like, welcome back to the Sorry Girls, and we're the Sorry Girls. Today, what are we doing, Becky?
We are doing our yearly tradition of dorm series, but obviously this year with a little bit of a twist.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing dorm at home this year for students that are going to school, but you know, they're staying at home because a lot of us are.
Yeah, and we are gonna try and keep this makeover a little manageable, a little budget friendly. On the off chance someone is still going to a dorm, this might apply as well.
Yeah, okay, so today we are going to be doing Andrea's room. She's a first year student
Studying physical and mathematical sciences.
She's been keeping busy this summer doing like a whole bunch of things, biking and
Reading.
learning coding, learning a language, reading, you know, just living the best COVID life you can.
So I came by a couple days ago to check it out, see the place, take some measurements, get a sense for style, and I came back, we kind of came up with a game plan of what we want to do, and then I went and did some shopping.
Yes, you know what, we'll let her tell you what her style is. I'm so excited about it. Andrea, come on in here, but just like come over there.
Safety distancing.
I'm so excited.
Me too. Very excited.
Okay, so I'll let you tell us what your style is and what we're going for this room.
Yeah, pretty much it's cottagecore right now, which is pretty trendy right now, but I also like a mix with boho. I want my room to look like my grandma's bedroom, but elevated.
Yeah. Grandma's bedroom,
In the forest, in the woods,
but also Bali.
but also on an island. All right, we'll let you go and we're gonna take it away.
Okay.
Bye. See you. So, this is the space.
Cute. I likey.
It's a little bit like dorm room sized, which
Yeah.
I feel like is nice to stick to the theme.
Yeah, we're like almost in a dorm room.
Yeah.
Cute.
So I think, you know, in the theme of dorm rooms, we're not gonna paint.
Yep.
We'll do our best to just touch up the walls with a good old magic eraser.
Yeah, yeah.
And this, I think, we're gonna do a lot with. New desk.
Yeah, we picked out a lot of fun things. Like, I had a lot of fun shopping because the thrift store is basically cottagecore.
Yep.
A fun little bed moment, which we can keep a surprise. But where should we start?
I kind of want to do this wall because I know there's something going on it that is like the most difficult install in this room.
You're being so sneaky.
I know.
Okay, let's start with the closet.
Okay.
Wow, what a good year. That was a great year. I'm getting sad right now. Okay, moving on. This is so cute. I want to make sure I don't lose it. It's like cottagecore. Okay. Oh my god. I know that we purchased a mirror that looks very similar to this one, but trust me, it's different, but it is very similar. Also, she has so many games and I'm just living because I'm currently trying to build up my game cupboard and I'm getting inspo for games to buy. Okay.
I think this is gonna be really nice though. It's like a print, but it's not too much. It's soft tropical.
Yeah, I think this is a good combination of our boho and cottagecore.
I can't not say cottagecore without being like cottagecore.
I know.
But that's like not what it is. It's like cottagecore.
Why is it so hard? Because you think of hardcore.
Yeah.
Also, I bet there's girls and boys and people that have been doing cottagecore for like years, and all of a sudden now we're all like, "Hi, we're here," and they're like, "Please leave the chat," and we're like, "No."
Just like us millennials joining TikTok, they're like, no. So the question is whether we can make it stretch to the ceiling or we only do the doors.
So do we have to do maths?
Yeah.
We should call Andrea. She's the one that is in math school.
I think I can get tape and we can tape it as high and like see
Okay.
how far it gets us.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
I'm really happy with it. I think it brings a lot to this room. A little accent wall.
I think too, because we have some plant things we're gonna bring.
Yeah.
It'll really tie this into the rest of the space.
I know, we really have to balance the boho and cottagecore. I think the next big thing, I like to get all the big things out of the way. So let's do this whole desk situation because the plastic drawer unit, we
have something better.
We have better. So Andrea's walls were a little bit scuffed up, but we're doing our best to clean them before we bring in any of the new furniture. This drop leaf desk from IKEA is perfect for small spaces because it's adjustable. Although it does only have one small drawer, we have something planned for some storage hacks. 3, 5, 4.
Holy. I'm excited to see this because you picked this out and I haven't seen it in person yet.
This is what it looks like.
Oh, this is so cute.
The blues,
I love this pop of color.
pinks, yeah.
It's really good.
We got it all, baby.
Okay.
That's the best thing about cottagecore is you can mix patterns.
It's true.
Becky, we kind of automatically have regrets because
The bed's already here.
the bed's already here.
Okay.
But something like this. Although we could have done it before we brought in this.
Well,
Well,
we're here now.
So should we slide it over?
Yeah. So now the tricky part of lifting this bed, which I think is a storage bed, so therefore
We have.
could be.
I can just get my Hulk mode on.
Let's do it. What do I gotta do? Make you angry? How does the Hulk work?
I'm already hungry. I'm hangry.
Hangry Hulk, the worst of all the Hulks.
Oh, this is cute. The good thing about putting rugs on furniture is that it holds them in place. Okay. Yay.
Amazing.
Sweating.
Now let's put these back. Whew, thank goodness. Okay, we can make our little crate stack.
Yes.
I think that one of the crates is like one of these blue colors too, which will look so cute.
It is?
I think so, yeah.
So in my shopping adventures, I actually went to a flea market and I was looking for a chair for the desk as well as maybe a chest or something to go right here. So let's roll the footage. So this is the chair I ended up getting, which I think fits the vibe so well.
Cute.
The only thing is that she like half started covering it. So I brought the staple gun so that we can finish the job. Maybe you want to start that and I'll go get the chest.
What's that that other seat cushion you got from IKEA?
Oh yeah, that's also an option. Do you like this better?
I kind of like that.
Yeah?
It feels more cottagecore-y than this. But I'll play around with it.
Okay.
You can bring the chest in.
I'll go get the chest. But yeah, it's really cute. Good?
Yeah. So whimsical fairy tale forest magic.
Boho.
Boho.
All right, are we aligned? Do we like this new knob better than these knobs?
Absolutely. The old knobs are not even the same color. What is that, Dresser?
Fake news.
Yeah, it's gonna make a huge difference.
Cool, I will do this.
And then we're gonna do a little canopy. I actually, if we ever use this in a room makeover, I feel like it's like a design staple, but
Yeah.
we've never put one up, have we?
I don't think so. We DIY'd one once, right? Yeah, but
Oh, the big one. That's right. Yeah, this will be so cute.
I'm excited to see it. It's gonna make a big transformation. Are you gonna take that stuff down first?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. I have never seen this before, but the handle is actually what is holding on the drawer front. Mind blown.
Double duty, baby.
Double duty.
I feel like, does it go in the corner or does it go like centered?
No, I think corner. Well, just stepping on it. Oh my god, I feel like it's a bride.
The train. Should I measure like this way and this way?
Just to make sure it's not too close.
Yeah, let's do that. Here comes the bride. Oh my gosh, are you seeing her? She's a vision in white.
She's beautiful. So we tuck that behind the bed though?
Yeah. Just like all things that need some finessing. To make this simple canopy feel even more cottagecore, we're draping some faux fern garlands over it.
All right, next up on the to-do list is creating a gallery wall above the bed. Thank you so much to Command Brand for helping make this project dorm safe. Our first step is to remove any glass from our frames. This makes them super light and easy to hang. Okay, what are we thinking here?
I'm thinking, well, these colors all work together really well.
They do.
My favorite is when we get to do these like dorm-approved gallery walls.
Yeah.
Because we don't have to worry about nails and studs and all that. So easy. So the glass is out, which makes them super light.
Yeah, I honestly also like the look without glass.
Yeah, like the matte textures.
Yeah.
It's really nice.
I vibe with it a lot.
And like the frameless stuff too.
Yeah,
it's fun.
We have
different.
We have the poster Command Brand hooks for those.
And then we have picture hanging ones for these.
Picture hanging strips, damage-free hanging poster strips. We're good to go. We're not nailing it.
Oh my gosh. I didn't mean to say that. Wow.
I hate us so much. So much. Are we putting anything over the dresser?
We have that letterboard that could perhaps go there.
This one's heavy, but I think we can still use the strips to hang it.
So this can go above.
Oh, here. I found large.
Wow.
Up to 16 pounds.
Oh, yeah, this is much less than 16.
Okay.
Okay.
We already gave the wall a wipe.
Let's do it. Today we're going to be using the picture hanging strips and the poster strips for the gallery wall and making sure to follow the instructions on the back, which are super easy, by the way.
Hold up.
The quartz spring clips also are a super versatile product that are great for clipping or hanging anything.
If she had had Command Brand strips before, there wouldn't be tape all over the wall.
No, I remember this from college times. People would use the non-Command Brand ones.
Yeah.
And it would wreck the walls.
I know. They were like, you're allowed to use sticky hooks. And I did use sticky hooks, but they were dollar store ones.
They literally need to write in the rules, you have to use
Command
Command Brand.
Seriously. Otherwise, you're still gonna like ruin the walls.
I know. So, down to the last two.
Yeah.
So where do we think this one should go? Okay, making sure it's level, the handy dandy level. Hold for 30 seconds, please.
Hold, please. Elevator music.
A classic.
Honestly, this is like so easy to do. I don't know why we don't just make this the normal way we do it instead of just dorm series.
And it's amazing that it holds all of these, like it's literally no problem. I swear sometimes plugs and screws give us more problems.
Yeah.
They're so tricky trying to find the stud and whatever. You don't need to worry about that with this.
Boom.
Studless. I love it. This is a really good one. The blue, I was like, is it too much? But I feel like it's a nice, like, fresh pop. What are we doing next?
Okay, next up, are we on to final touches?
We're pretty close. I thrifted new curtains.
Oh
To
yeah.
swap those out. Because as much as those kind of are cottagecore, they're just like the wrong pattern and color. I feel like I have a good lace option, which I love.
So once we had the curtains up, we weren't in love with how the outer curtains hung compared to the middle one. But don't worry, we put our SorryGirls brains to the test and figured out a quick DIY solve. So we cut the loops open and then tied them together, which ended up shortening them a little bit. And in the end, honestly, we think this look is a lot cuter.
Okay, I think we nailed it this time.
Yeah, I think that that's better. A little hack, if you will, but I think that Looks better because it's like closer to the top now.
So that means we're ready for final touches.
Final touch time. Becky, you know how all the YouTubers like come out with songs?
That can be ours.
If we had a song, it would be
To the theme of Final Countdown.
yeah, final touch time. Let's do it. A music video and everything. All right,
Oh my god.
are you ready for the final touch?
Yeah.
A boom.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, instant cozy.
It's so magical. I don't know what it is about it. I think it's the fern garland. It's so different than like what we've done.
I'm really happy with it. Sick wallpaper. I think she's gonna be shocked. This looks like a total new room. Like, it wasn't that crazy of a change.
No, I think all of this is manageable. Someone could totally do this on their own, and all like super budget friendly because a lot of it's thrift friendly.
And we didn't switch out her bedspread, which is like,
It was so rare for us.
yeah, very rare, but it was already on theme because I mean, and that's her style.
Exactly.
You just need to catch the rest of the room up.
Okay, so I guess in light of
The times.
the times, we'll let her come in. Maybe we'll get her to call us so we can like hear her reaction.
I know, I want to see her reaction.
Yeah.
I've never not seen a reaction.
Yeah, well, she can video chat us. We
Yeah.
can see that.
We'll let her explore it on her own though.
Okay, let's go so she can come.
Go check it out.
Oh my god. Shut up. No way, you're actually lying though. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Stop. This is so nice.
Okay, so you can see there that we swapped out your desk, which is, I think that made a big difference.
Yes, you actually have more desk space now with this new one, so more space to do work.
Yeah, but there's still lots of storage there with the vintage chest that we brought in and some crates and stuff.
On the closet wall, we did a whole vinyl wallpaper install for some kind of like
Accent.
viney plant accent that we think is a good merge of boho and cottagecore.
We also have the canopy, speaking of greeny, viney things. So cozy with the lights in it too.
Yeah, they're battery operated fairy lights, so easy to turn on and off. We did a whole cottagecore inspired gallery wall above the bed too.
And that's all command sticky strips, so it'll come off super easily. A cozy rug, we have cozy pillows. It's just so cozy. I love it. And the mirror, although it's like similar to the one that you already had, it's such a little vintage touch. I love it.
This is awesome. Oh my god. I want to be like on a farm right now, like tending to some animals or some livestock, like, bro. Oh my god, this is crazy.
That's
so
amazing.
nice.
Okay, but you're not a farmer, you're a student, so we hope that this room really helps you stay organized this school year and, you know, stay up on your studies, your mathematical physical studies.
And maybe gives you that dorm experience even though you're not able to go to residence this year.
Yeah.
Because it feels like a new space.
All right, well, enjoy it.
Enjoy!
Thank you. Okay, bye.
Bye! I am so happy that she loves it and that we nailed that theme.
You mean like we stuck that theme because Command Brand was our sponsor, and I could not imagine a more perfect sponsor for Dorm Series.
Thank you so much, Command Brand. Check them out. All the information is below.
Yep, and make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna be doing some more dorm at home videos, as well as just like a bleep ton of makeovers.
And if you can't wait, we have a whole playlist of dorm videos that are already out. They work great for small spaces, even if you aren't going to a dorm this year.
Yeah.
Check it out. Linked here and here.
And we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye.